If you are put in a system followed by all humans that some call a natural evolutionary system, why aren't you asking yourself, who rules nature itself? If the nature you are part of in this system, and all of them are naturally dedicated to you, have you ever used your imagination to reach beyond the scope of your surroundings and your land? Who created this system for you? You are not but a part of all of this, and all of it has been made for you alone. Who positioned you at the crossroads to choose between them? Don't you want to know him? All I want now is your mind, and be sure that your heart will follow, and you will hear its beats playing you a new tune, because you will know who the organizer is, who the dedicator is, who created everything in the universe with appropriate amount. Who is behind all these phenomena? The one above, the driving force of all of this. Allah, the One, who nothing is like him.